Ever wondered which solar system is best for your home? There's a myriad of choices available, each with its unique advantages and disadvantages. Let's delve into this fascinating world of sustainable energy, and perhaps by the end you'll know exactly which solar system aligns best with your needs. We start with grid-tied solar systems, the most common type used in residential homes. These systems are connected to your local utility grid and allow you to use solar energy, grid electricity, and a blend of both. The key advantage here is the ability to draw from the grid when your solar system isn't producing enough energy, like during nighttime or cloudy days. Additionally, any excess solar energy you generate is sent back to the grid, often earning you energy credits. However, a significant drawback is that if the grid goes down, so does your system for safety reasons. Next, we have off-grid solar systems. These systems are entirely independent of the local utility grid, making them perfect for remote locations without grid access. They rely heavily on battery storage to save excess power for use during the night or cloudy days. While this independence sounds appealing, it comes with a higher upfront cost due to the need for more solar panels and battery storage. Then there's the hybrid solar system, a combination of the grid-tied and off-grid systems. This system is connected to the grid and has battery storage. It offers the best of both worlds, the reliability of grid access and the independence of having stored power for use during grid outages. However, like the off-grid system, the hybrid system can be more costly due to the additional battery storage. Last but not least, we have DC-coupled solar systems. In this system, the solar panels connect directly to a battery bank before being converted to AC for home use. This system is incredibly efficient as it minimizes energy loss during conversion. However, it also comes with a higher cost due to the need for specialized equipment. To summarize, the grid-tied solar system offers a cost-effective solution for those who want to supplement their energy use with solar power while remaining connected to the grid. The off-grid system is ideal for those in remote locations or those who prefer total energy independence despite the higher cost. The hybrid system offers a balance of grid connection and energy independence, while the DC-coupled system provides high efficiency but at a higher initial cost. Each solar system has its unique advantages and suits different needs. It's about understanding your energy requirements, budget, and how much independence you want from the grid. Remember, the goal is to harness the power of the sun, reduce our carbon footprint, and move towards a sustainable future. So no matter which solar system you choose, you're taking a step in the right direction. Until next time, keep shining like the sun.